Hey, it's Utsav. If you watched my Logitech G Pro review, then you already know that I own what is arguably the world's filthiest keyboard. Well, I decided that enough is enough, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I cleaned up all that filth in 4 easy steps. What do we think, Ziggy? We're gonna clean. Is this bothering you? Okay, clearly it is. Alright. First, you'll want to gather your cleaning supplies. You'll need regular dishwashing soap, a bowl in which to wash the keycaps, a colander to drain the washed keycaps and rinse off the excess soap, a drying mat, a can of compressed air, a toothbrush, a Q-tip, an isopropyl cleaning wipe, and an optional but handy keycap puller. Second, you'll want to start by cleaning the keycaps. Take a top-down photo of the board first, to which you can refer later when it's time to reinstall the keycaps. Next, pull the keycaps off your board and drop them into the bowl you grabbed earlier. When you're done, take a moment to admire the filth you're about to obliterate. Disgusting, isn't it? Douse your keycaps in a healthy dose of dishwashing soap and fill up the bowl with hot water until the keycaps are floating around a bit. Then agitate for about 30 seconds or so. Let everything sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Third, whilst your keycaps are soaking in their bath, clean your board. I grabbed some compressed air to quickly blow away larger elements such as hair, crumbs, and that sort of thing. First though, I knocked off the loosest bits of dirt on my kitchen counter and then applied the compressed air first horizontally and then vertically toward the spaces between the switches, taking care not to blast the switches directly. As you can see, that knocks off quite a bit, but I was clearly not done yet. Next, I used a clean toothbrush to scrub away the more stubborn bits, following the same vertical then horizontal approach to clean between the switches. Finally, I wrapped a Q-tip in an isopropyl soaked screen cleaning wipe for the residual, finer bits of dirt. If you don't have any of those, then check your first aid kit. Chances are you have a similar disinfectant wipe you can hijack for this purpose. Repeat the same pattern as before to grab the finer bits of dirt. Reposition the wipe as needed. After you're done with the board, rinse off your keycaps, taking care to get rid of all the soap suds. Place the keycaps onto your drying mat with the faces pointed upward so that gravity can take care of the rest. Finally, reinstall your keycaps after they've dried. I let mine air dry overnight, but if you're in a hurry, then I suppose a hairdryer on gentle heat would help to accelerate the process. After the keycaps are reinstalled, check for loose ones. I turned mine upside down for a solid shake test. Plug in the board to ensure everything works. And you're done.